Hi, I'm Lesley Donna Williams. I'm the CEO of Tshimologong Digital Innovation Hub in Johannesburg, South Africa, run by Wits University. As part of Tshimologong Precinct, we have the Digital Content Hub that started in partnership with AFD and the Institute of France in 2018. And its focus is to grow digital creative studios focusing on African content and storytelling in animation, gaming, and virtual reality. While South Africa has a lot of talent in animation and gaming specifically, we are seeing that it's mostly wealthy people who have access to high quality education to access the market. What we do quite uniquely at Tshimologong Precinct is that we make sure that we focus on inclusion. So from a gender perspective, socioeconomic inclusion, and really make sure we're taking talent of people who quite often cannot afford the education and refining them for industry. But when we do so, we're making sure that they're ready for global industry markets. So both inclusion and excellence go together. When running our program at Digital Content Hub, it's very important for us that all of our talent create their work with global markets in mind. So that means exposure. That also means access to international partners. Expertise France has been critical for us in terms of making sure that there are those business linkages between what's happening in France and the talent in Africa. We then journey together and the talent get exposure to both markets. So by the time they graduate, they understand what is expected from them from an industry perspective, as well as have access to critical contacts both in France and in Africa. I really believe that the work that we are doing between France and South Africa is a new model on international partnerships, especially from making sure that we're developing blended finance model from developmental to commercial, and that digital creatives in Africa are getting their rightful exposure and position in global markets. We have the talent, they need support, and they will blossom from there. I really believe that we have developed an innovative model linking unemployed youth to global markets using blended finance approach. So this ecosystem of private partnerships really come well together, going from talent at its early phase through to commercially ready products that are ready for audiences.